Hey guys, hope you all are doing pretty well. Check out my adorable sis Brandy BLC Nails and her another account BLC Nail Tips and Pieces. It's her first and huge giveaway is going on right now, and this giveaway is open to the USA, Canada, UK and for Indian residents. And I am so excited to show you my first friend mail from my beautiful sis Brandy. Well, I kept hearing about this friend mails from lots of people and I just watched their videos too. I was not aware what it feels after getting a friend mail. I really like the way she sent everything in this bubble wrap paper bag, as it's the best way to keep even the fragile items and products to keep intact and protective. I am actually overwhelmed after reading this letter from her because she's such a sweetheart and an adorable darling. I love the way she had sent everything so nicely, and this letter for me especially, which means a lot to me. Okay, let me now show you all the items which I got from her side. And these items are in products and nail art accessories. Everything is available on her BLC Nails Tips and Pieces account. She is available on YouTube, Instagram, Gmail, and even she sells press-on nails. Let's just check the huge gorgeous collection of accessories and ornaments which she had already used in her nail art, just to show us that how these little pieces can create a brilliant nail art designs. This is one of the bestest products from her store, this nail piercing kit. And I love this kit so much because I have seen several designs she had created while using this kit. I have already tried these ornaments in creating one of my nail art design, and believe me, they look excellent as they are lightweighted and easy to use. No doubt, she really got unique and gorgeous collection for her store. And here comes the collection of transparent fluorescent hearts. See how beautifully she had placed those hearts in her menu. If you are interested in knowing how to use this nail piercing kit, then you can check out her channel. She had created a video where you can find step-by-step process while using this kit. Even she got huge and amazing collection of different brand logos, decals and nail art stickers which are not easily available in India. These holographic butterfly nail stickers are so beautiful that I created my butterfly nail art theme using them. Now let me show you another friend mail sent by her for Christmas. Sometimes you are short of words to describe how much the person means to you. I am blessed to have you, Brandy. Thank you for thinking about me, and your thoughtfulness is greatly appreciated. And I love you lots, and you know it very well. The speciality of these snowflakes nail stickers is that they glow in the dark. Wow, these teeny snowflakes are so gorgeous that I couldn't resist myself in highlighting them. It's a surprise for me that she has acquaintance of my choice so well. I just love the jewelry sent by her. And that's the reason that I have added my own pics wearing them. I got so much overwhelmed while seeing such an amazing gesture from her side that she sent a necklace having a pendant where it's written "Little Sis." Even she got a similar necklace for herself with the embellishment of Big Sis. Isn't it cool, guys? A bestest gift ever for me. Oh Brandy, I'm so lucky to have you, and really, you means the world to me. I have also added your pic, Brandy, while wearing the necklace, and in fact the necklace you have in your home right now. And thank you so much for everything you did for me. Thank you for all your gestures and for showing your immense love for me. I love you so much. Hope you all enjoy watching the collection which she had sent to me, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just go and check her page and participate in her giveaway. Hurry up, guys, because the giveaway ending date is 15th Jan and you all can be lucky enough to have these products by winning her giveaway. Her YouTube channel, Instagram and her store link is in my description, guys. And all the best everyone. Hope you win her giveaway. Take care everyone. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.